Hey, how's it going guys? Robin here again. In this video, we're gonna do a simple sound test with the HyperX Alloy FPS RGB. This board is using the Kailh Speed Silver, or Silver Speed I should say, and towards the end of this video, we're gonna throw in two other boards as well. One is a board that uses the Cherry MX Red, and the other one is the Razer Ornata Chroma, which is using Razer's own Mecha membrane switch. So you guys get a better idea how each of these switches sound. And with that said, let's start with the HyperX. Now, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. You can find more details about the HyperX Alloy FPS RGB down in the description. There's gonna be a full review coming out within the upcoming days as well. Now, my first impression of the Switch is really good. I really like it. Now, I can't really tell if it feels faster than the Cherry MX Speed, but it's definitely faster than the Cherry MX Red, that I can say for sure. I like the Switch a lot. I like the feedback, the linear type of switch. I'm gonna go back to blackout now, but thank you so much for watching this one, guys. Until next video, have an awesome day, alright? Bye!